Next one is bud. What is bud? Bud is nothing but growing points surrounded by protective scale leaf. That is nothing but a bud. Tamil we say muttu. Here bud is nothing but growing points surrounds by protective scale leaf. That is call it as a bud. Here bud they contain several characters. Here bud primordium matured into a bud. What is the meaning of primordium? The bud arises a scale leaf covered first of all, that is called it as a primordium. That primordium matured into a bud. Afterwards, the bud they can have the capacity to compress its axis with the help of internodes, but it cannot have the capacity to elongate because the young leaves are closed and crowded in nature. I explained clearly, buds normally present in any of the axis. That axis they contain an internode. That time the internodes are covered by young leaves. So that bud that cannot elongate in nature. It can be look like a crowd in nature, crowded in nature. Then buds develop internodes, elongation as well as leaves spread out easily. The bud they can have the capacity to elongation of the internodes as well as leaf spread out easily. The next character is bud have a architecture identical. What is the meaning of architecture identical? Architecture identical is nothing but that is one of the art. The buds naturally look like one of the art like structure. All the buds are look like identical in one of the plants to the original shoot. That original shoot is nothing but a main stem and develops into a lateral branches or may terminate by developing into a flower or a inflorescence. The bud they can have the capacity to produce a flower or inflorescence. The flower is a single bud that can be able to opening. Inflorescence is nothing but cluster of flowers. That is called it as inflorescence. Based on their origin of bud, they are classified into terminal bud or apical bud because the bud they can be present in the apex portion. Then lateral bud or axillary bud or axial bud. The lateral bud are arised in a axial place. That is called it as a axillary bud. Next function that can be based on their function of bud that can be able to classified into two major category. That is called it as vegetative bud or next one is called it as floral bud. The floral bud are otherwise called it as reproduction. These are the some of the characters and classification of bud, and we want to study in a elaborative manner. Terminal bud or apical bud, lateral bud or axillary bud, extra axillary bud, accessory bud, adventitious bud. The adventitious buds are classified into radical bud, foliar bud, colline bud. We want to study about in a elaborative manner. What is the meaning of terminal bud or apical bud? Buds are present at the apex or tip of the plant. That apex or tip of the plant they contain a main stem and they can have the capacity to produce bud. That type of bud is called as apical bud or a terminal bud. For example, some of the flowering plants they contain a terminal bud. Then next one is called it as lateral bud or axillary bud. the bud, they can be occur in the axial of the leaf. That is called it as axillary bud and developed into a branch, or they can have the capacity to produce a flower. For example, hibiscus, that they can have the capacity to produce the axillary flower. Then these are the some of the hibiscus, datura metal. These are the some of the example for axillary bud. Next one is call it as extra axillary bud. What is the meaning of extra axillary bud? The bud, they can be arranged in a axis, but some other bud also they can have the capacity to develop in a particular place. That is called it as a extra axillary bud. Formed at a node but outside the axial of the leaf, that can be able to present. For example, Solanum americanum. In one of the Solanum nigrum, that is called it as a Melagu Takali Kira in Tamil. In related with the that species Solanum americanum, it is also look like a Solanum nigrum. These contain a extra axillary bud. Here there is a bud that can be able to present in a axis. Here there is a axis. In a one axis, the number of bud they can be able to produce. Then only it is called it as a extra axillary bud. It can be clearly seen in the fruit. Here there is a single bud they can be here arise at that place. They contain a many bud they can be able to formed. Then next one is called it as accessory bud. The accessory bud or otherwise call it as collateral bud, because and bud that can be present on either side or above the superposed bud. What is the meaning of superposed? Means in the all the direction of the stem they arise a bud. So it is called it as a superposed bud or a serial bud. The axillary bud that is produced. For example, citrus and duranta. Citrus is nothing but a lemon. Duranta is nothing but a duranta plant. It is meant for ornamental purpose. It can be seen in our school campus for fencing or ornamental purposes. Next one is call it as next one is call it as